Hi viewers, I hope you all are doing fine. So today we will solve the sum of linear equation. So the topic for today is substitution method for solving linear equation. This is the question. We'll copy the same question here. 4x plus y is equals to 20. This is equation 1. And this is the second equation. 3x minus y is equals to 8. Now we have to multiply this equation with 3 and we have to multiply this equation with 4. So how will we do that? We will take this 3 here into 3 and we'll take this 4 here into 4. Now let's multiply 3 into 4. 3 4s are 3 into 4 is 3 4s are 12. So 3 into 4x is 12x. 12x plus 3 into y. 3 into y is how much? 3y is equals to 3 into 20 is how much? 60. Okay, now 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 4 into 3x is 12x minus 4 into y is how much? 4y is equals to 4 into 8 is how much? 32. Now the next step is we have to change the sign. See here, there is no sign here, right? So you have to assume here as plus. Now we will shift the sign, it will become minus. If here it's plus, we will change the sign, not shift. We'll change the sign. Plus will become minus. Here minus, this will become plus, and here there is no sign, so it is plus. So you will change the sign into minus. Now see, this is plus 12x. No sign means plus 12x, and this sign is minus 12x. So if both are same and the signs are different, we can cancel this because plus 12x and minus 12x we can cancel. Now plus into plus is plus itself. So 3 plus 4 is how much? 7y is equals to, plus into minus is minus. So 60 minus 32 is how much? 28. We got this equation. Now we will solve this. We have to find the value of y here. 7y is equals to 28. Bring the variable down where y is equals to, we'll bring this in division form by 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 how much are 28, 7 4s are 28. Therefore we got the value of y. So y is equals to 4. Now which value we have to find out? We got the value of y, we have to find out the value of x. So we'll take the second equation here to find the value of x. 3x minus y is equals to 8, right? Now 3x as it is. What did we get the value of y here? 4. Let's do it. 3 into x is 3x. Now is equals to, y is equals to, see 3x here there is a number and variable. Here we will bring only numbers here. Is equals to 8, right? Now we will shift this minus 4 here to bring it in numbers place. So it will, the sign will change. Minus 4 will become plus 4. So 3x is equals to 8 plus 4 is how much? 12. Now we got this type of form, no? In this type of form we got, no? Now we'll find the value of x. 3x is equals to 12. Bring this x down. X is equals to 12 divided by 3. We'll take this 3 and shift it in the denominator. 3 ones are 3. 3 how much are 12? 4s are 12. Therefore we got the value of x is equals to 4. So we got the value of y is equals to 4 and x. Both the values we got. Now we have to cross check whether our answers are right. So to cross check, we will do the verification here. Okay, we can take any equation. Let us take second equation itself. Here see, we can take any equation, but this time we'll take second equation. 3x minus y is equals to 8. Now 3, what did we get the value of x? We got the value of x as 4. So in x place we'll put 4. Minus, what did we get the value of y? 4 itself. So 4 is equals to 8. Now 3 into 4. 3 4s are 12. Minus 4 is equals to 8. 12 minus 4 is how much? 8. 8 is equals to 8. See, LHS is equals to RHS. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. So this proves that the whole solution we did is correct. If we get LHS is equals to RHS, both the answers we have to get same. So Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel.